Hello there, welcome to Namaste Little Things with Addy, and today I'm going to be presenting with you the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's a very big phone. As you can see, I have the 11 and they're considerably different in size. So let's get into the box, let's see what's different, let's see all the features, and let's get into the review. So I'm getting out of the box now, and here we go. Very satisfying feel. So we have the phone itself, 3 cameras as always with a Pro model of the iPhone since the 11, and the shape of the phone, the edges, it's now an aluminum finish instead of this curved finish like edges. Very similar to the iPhone 4 here. You might be wondering why I had it here. It's because this was based off the design of the 4, and yeah, it shows you that Apple doesn't forget about the past. As you can see though, the fingerprints are on the side. That might be a bit of an issue, but if you get a case, it should be okay. I'm going to put the phone aside because there are some accessories got to go for adapter. Major difference here, no headphones, no power adapter. But there are simple solutions you can. If you want to be a little bit cheaper, you can just get the headphones and the adapter off Apple's official site. But if you want to, up the experience, I have the AirPods here, which I will do in a later video, and a power adapter, which is compatible with this USB. So I'm taking out the charger. Now, I'm not going to show you, but basically, you can see this is quite different from Apple's recent chargers. As you can see on the product design, this is more USB to C. You put this cable, you put it in there, and it's pretty compatible with MacBooks and any other. Here I have the 12 Pro Max all set up. Just need to wait for a few more apps to finish downloading. And as you can see, very big display. It's very bright, very vibrant. It's a very good phone. You can see, like, the very good refresh quality. If I do this, yeah. And here's the camera. As you can see, if I'm trying to do back from the green screen, it's a very good quality camera. About this phone is, you should really get it. It's the worth the £100 more if you're planning to get the Pro. Like, the features are so great, and I have to recommend it for you. If you don't want to spend that much money, I suggest you try and get the 12 mini or an earlier iPhone. This phone is really great. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm Addy. This is Namaste Little Things. See you.